There are many benefits to learning another language. فێربوونی زمانێکی تر سوودی زۆری هەیە. But did you know that learning another language actually makes your brain healthier? There's an illness called Alzheimer's or dementia, and this sickness causes older people to lose their memories. In Kurdish, you call this nakhoshi birchunua. Research has shown that people who know 2 languages can delay the start of this sickness by 5 years or more. This means that a person who only knows 1 language might start losing their memories at 85 years old, for example. But a person who knows 2 languages might not start losing their memories until they are 90 years old or older. That's an extra 5 years or more of having a clear, strong mind. So, if you want to have a strong mind and a healthy brain when you are older, then keep going learning another language.